Hey, good morning, everybody. I got a smile on my face. Took a long time to get this done, but man, it's finally, the dyno is, I would have to say, 95% where we want it. Steve's done a great job, him and Quentin, putting this new dyno together. It's been a lot of headaches and a lot of thousands of dollars more, but we're getting it right. Quinn, you can show us our new board that we're going to be running. At the end of each run, it's going to show me my max horsepower and max peak of torque. And again, Steve's going to throw a few more screens on here as we move along with boosted motors and what have you. But you can see up above, we now got a graph that's going to show what runs we did on this motor and what it did in progress as we make our changes. Really cool. And then, of course, we got our board over here that always shows us, you know, our engine tech, a little bit more sophisticated here. And then we're going to roll into here. As we're tuning the motor in here, you can come in here, Quentin. As we're tuning, we got a screen here. So I can sit here and make changes on everything and then get my tune in. So again, what we did here this morning was we ran a motor. It was a little 347, 425 horsepower. Man, it made 450 horsepower and about 450 something foot-pounds of torque. This was a freebie for Randy because he didn't pay for a dyno, but since we want to get the dyno up and running and testing all these motors we got backlogged, which is crazy. We still probably got 7 or 8 motors. I'd love to see my getting my checkbook, but again, we're going to get them one at a time. But again, Randy, you got a freebie, runs great. We knew it was going to run great anyway. You just wanted us to live run it. Well, you got a freebie on the dyno. Everything's checked out. Yeah, as you can tell, no water, no oil, nothing. We take care of everybody here. We build one badass motor here, and we keep getting better as we go. Hey, I'm like an old bottle of wine. I keep getting better with age. We're learning so many things, it's amazing. The camshafts me and Steve designed, the new designs we've been putting out. We're one of the best Godzilla engine builders in the country. A lot of people haven't found that out yet. But again, we're working with some of the greatest engineers in the world on these Godzillas. We're building race motors for people. We're building all type of stuff. But again, we're always going to build what you want us to build. And we're going to make it the way you want it. Hey, here at Proformance Unlimited, I believe we are number one. Peace, God bless, happy motoring. Randy, you're gonna get a freebie here. The dyno when your thing, we're doing your second pass. So here you go. Got a beautiful running motor, and our dyno is finally coming around, thank God. A lot of money before we got this thing right.